Hello everyone. So today we arrived at the fifth and the last part of our Python course, which talks about the graphics. And the ones that we are gonna go through in this video are the line plots, under which we will present the evolution of the net income, the bar plot, which we will be using to represent the inventory levels, and finally, the pie chart, which we'll use to present the composition of the current assets in 2023. So this will be the main packages we are going to use today. So first, the evolution of the net income, and we will be basing on the income statement. So here is the income statement multiplied by -1 to eliminate the effect of the credit balances, since the net income needs to be in positive. So the first step, as we have done with the ratio calculation in the previous video, we will transpose this table. So it is ICT equal IC dot T. And you will see that the table has been transposed. So the data we are gonna need will be from the third row, which is the index 2. The next step will be adding, since the columns from year end 2023 to 2020 are the index, where we will add a new column which will be gathering the values from 2020 to 2023. And to do so, we'll be using the command linspace. So ICT years equal np dot linspace 2023-2020, and the size will be the number of the rows, which is 4. If we look again at the table, we will see that we have a new column of the years. So the final step is drawing the line plot. So what we'll name it net income chart equal SNS in reference to the package seaborn line plot. The x-axis will be the years. The y-axis is the net income. The source of the data are the table ICT. For the color, let's choose blue, and you can choose either color you prefer. The next step is formatting the title for the plot, and for that we take the same name as earlier, net income chart dot set title equal evolution of net income, and we visualize the graphics. So this is the table displaying the evolution of the net income from 2020 to 2023. Since the years are in numerical format, they have been taken from the smallest to the highest. So this is for the line plot and the evolution of the net income. In the next step, we'll move to the bar plot, and by which we will present the inventory balance. So the source data will be the ratio base we have used in the previous video where we transposed the balance sheet. So this is the column for the y-axis. As we have done for the income statement, we will add a new column for the years, ratio base, years, equal NP lin space 2024, and you will see that there is a new column. So to draw the bar plot, let's call it inventory level bar equal sns dot bar plot, the x equal years, the y equal inventories, the source of the data is the table ratio base. For the color, let's choose red. Next is adding a title to the bar plot. Let's call it inventory levels. And finally, let's visualize it. And we've got here the bar plot presenting the evolution of the inventory levels from 2020 to 2023. So this is for the bar plot. Now we move to the composition of the current assets that using a pie chart. So the source of our data will be the initial balance sheet. And we will need to use the pie chart to present the current assets, which is divided into inventories, receivables, and cash. So first we'll create a table containing only current assets using a filter. So we use balance sheet. So this is the data we need to present for the year end 2023. So to do so, we'll be using, we'll call it asset chart equal. So the source of the data is current assets, group by FS caption, the targeted column is the year end 2023. The formula is the sum, even though it will be taking each row individually. And then we type plot. We use kind equal pie. And then we add the title. Composition of the current assets for the year end 2023. And we view our chart. And this is the pie chart presenting the components of the current assets between inventories, receivables, and cash for the year end 2023. So these are the main rules and you need to know in Python, which we try to apply in the finance industry, precisely financial analysis.